In this Scholarton module, we will be discussing nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns can be anything that you can see, touch, taste, smell, or hear. An example of a person noun is Maria. In the sentence, Maria is tall, Maria is the person noun. An example of a place noun is beach. In the sentence, this beach is beautiful, beach is the place noun. An example of a thing noun is table. In the sentence, the table is nice, table is the thing noun. An example of an idea noun is love. In the sentence, their love is magical, the idea noun is the word love. In the sentence, the happy kitty jumped quickly, kitty is the noun. This sentence, John is full of hope, John and hope are both nouns. Now it's your turn. Find the nouns in these sentences. Khaleesi and her dragon walked to Subway to order a turkey sandwich. The nouns are Khaleesi, dragon, Subway, and sandwich. How about in this second example? On Halloween, the children and teachers come to school in costumes. The nouns in this sentence are Halloween, since it is the name of a holiday, children and teachers, since they are people, school, since it is a place, and costumes, since costumes are things. Here are some examples of nouns: others, life, and information. And here are even more examples of nouns.